going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, I have something that I've been wanting to review a long time, you guys. We have mulch glue, and it's not just for mulch. You can use it for pebbles, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to use it for the stones that we just put down. If y'all have never used any concentrate before or liquid substance products before or anything, if you have skin irritation or you just don't want the chemicals to get on you, wear sweatpants, long sleeves, long pants. Also, you might want to wear some face protection. Basically, all of your PPE that you need. They did give us 2 gloves. If you want to know where this is made. All right, sense of humor, you guys. When you use liquid product like this or any type of concentrate, you have to do a ratio, you guys. Yes, you got to go back in middle school or elementary, wherever they teach ratio, right? Okay, so it says apply in good weather, 1/4 glue, and then plus 5 quarts of water. And then it tells you the coverage. So that will cover up to 35 squared foot. And that's at 1 inch of depth. Tips for success: apply 2 to 3 thin coats for maximum strength. Y'all see that right there? 2 to 3 coats for maximum strength. Drying time is 24 hours between the quotes. 24 hours between the coats. 1 thick layer may result white or blue residue. Okay. Don't know why will it have blue residue, but okay. Spray or pour. Okay, so you can spray this or pour this, you guys. So right there's your pouring instructions, your spraying instructions. PPE, there you go. So I will be doing the sprayer instructions. I reviewed the sprayer before. So if you look on my channel or my profile, just put in the search heart sprayer, and then you'll see the review for this. Let me go ahead and get to the mixing. All right, you guys, so if you don't have one of these measuring buckets, definitely get a few of these measuring buckets if you're trying to get into spraying and all of that stuff. All right, so I will put the water in, and then I will mix the glue, put the glue in here, and then I'll put the glue in, and then I'll just shake it in the jug, and then hopefully we'll have a good mixture. Now, this is not a lot, and we don't want to use a lot because we want to put this thing up to the test, make sure it works very well. I need to get to 1 quart of glue. This is thick. This is thicker than what I thought. So let me pour this back in. All right. Now I'm gonna mix it up. I can't find my paint stick, so I'll use an old screwdriver. All right, that's better. All right, you guys, I am about to start pouring this stuff into our sprayer. All right, remember to get all the leaves and debris, or else it's going to get glued in. And let's go. All right, now it's coming out white and blue. This is pretty cool, you guys. Yeah. Hopefully it don't stay blue. Hopefully it clears up. I think that's all I want to do for right now, you guys. I don't want to do the whole thing and it don't turn out good. Then I'm gonna be real mad. So I'm gonna do it, and then I'm gonna come back tomorrow. All right, you see, came out white bluish. You see the difference, right? So that's what they was talking about. Oh, this thing is loud. So that's what they was talking about in the instructions. You know what, you guys? I'm going to spray the whole. I'm gonna get rid of everything because I want to make sure this thing is cleaned out. So let's get rid of everything. guys. No. All right, you guys, I'm reaching. I'm reaching. All right, I'm about to clean my sprayer out. All right, you guys, so we are a day or two later, and I have to say, this stuff is rock hard, you guys. All right, this is rock hard. There's some loose. Probably didn't get the glue that it needed, but remember they say put 2 coats on it. So we are at 1 coat. It's going to rain, so I'm gonna wait until after it rains. But for the most part, it is hard. The base of this stuff is hard, you guys, like rock solid. All right, so I'll get with y'all maybe like a few days after it rain, and then I'll give y'all a final review. But I like it so far, so far so good. All right, you guys, just put that in. We'll do a little blower test. So leaves are blowing. Awesome, right? Oh, you see that? Turbo. And then not treated. Treated, not treated. All right, I'm about to put the 2nd coat in, you guys, but everything is good so far. All right, you guys, we'll wrap it up in 24 more hours. All right, you guys, so we are 2 days later. All right, well, not 2 days later. We are 2 coats later. More like a week and a half late. But you guys, this thing is not moving at all. Okay, at all. Zero movement. So this glue is sealed. All right, it is not moving at all, you guys. That is insane. So we have treated. All right, this is non-treated. This is treated. Look at that. See, that's crazy, right? Wow, you guys, that is amazing. That stuff actually works. All right, so it's stuck on to the, man, that glue is crazy, you guys. All right, you guys, so if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.